Hi students, today we are going to see assumption, concept 1, areas related to circles, concept 1. Yesterday itself we have discussed that in concept 1 it's nothing but circumference of a circle, right? Circumference of a circle, semicircle and quadrant circle. And one more formula we have discussed, there is nothing but rotating wheels, right? Number of rotation in 1 minute, right? Number of rotation in 1 minute is equal to distance moved in 1 minute divided by circumference of the wheel, right? That okay, one by one we will see. First we are going to see the question number 1. Find the circumference of the wheel. Find the circumference of the wheel of Hercules cycle whose diameter is 21 centimeter, right? So before solving this sum, right? So first see formula based topic, right? Formula based, wherever we are going to use a formulas, right? First we have to read the question. From the question we have to sort out the given and what we are going to find, right? Given, first we have to sort out all what are givens we are having in the question. First we have to sort out and we have to first write the givens and what we want to find. To find we want to write, first we have to write it, and for that what formula is needed. For that formula, all the givens, what are things we are needed, it's all we are having in the given or not, we have to check, right? Suppose they are not giving in, they have not given means surely they will give you some hint, right? Surely they will give you some hint for finding the particular things, right? So first find the circumference. So we want to find the circumference of the wheel, that is circumference of the circle of Hercules cycle whose diameter is 21 centimeter, right? So given, so we are having that, what is it? Diameter of a circle, that is 21 centimeter. D is equal to 21 centimeter. So what is radius? Radius is nothing but R is equal to D by 2, that is diameter divided by 2, that is 21 divided by 2, right? 21 divided by 2. You can keep, always you can just keep as it is, right? 21 by 2, don't write 10.5, you can keep as it is, because while we are substituting, is it possible to simplify, right? 21 is nothing but 3 multiples, 7 multiples, right? And 2 multiples, is it possible to simplify? Then we can simplify, that's why just keep it as it is, right? So R is equal to 21 by 2, right? R is equal to 21 by 2. To find what we want to find, circumference of the circle, right? What we want to find, circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle we want to find. Circumference of the circle, right? So what is the formula? We know that circumference of circle is equal to circumference of the circle, right? Circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r, right? So 2 into, what is the value of pi? 22 by 7. So 2 into 22 by 7 into, what is the value of r? R is nothing but 21 by 2. 21 divided by 2, right? See, we are having one more formula, right? To circumference of circle is nothing but 2 pi r or pi d. If you know the value of d, then pi into d we can directly use it, right? Otherwise, if you are using the 2 pi r, no problem. You can just find the value of r, right? You can find the value of r. After that, you can substitute and simplify, you'll get the answer. So simplify, substitute, simplify. 7 table 21, both are 7 multiples. So 1 time, 3 times, right? 1 times and 3 times. 2 cancel, right? So what is the remaining thing we are having? 22 into 3, right? 22 into 3 and denominator nothing is there. So 22 into 3 is equal to 66 centimeter. Therefore the circumference of the Hercules wheel, therefore circumference of the wheel of Hercules cycle is equal to 66 centimeter, right? So number 2, if the perimeter of a semicircular protector of Vivek semicircular protector is nothing but, right? Perimeter of semicircular protector of Vivek is 36 centimeter. Find its diameter. So given, so what is the given we are having, ma? It's nothing but the perimeter of a semicircular protector, right? Semicircular protector. So perimeter of semicircle, right? Perimeter of semicircle, right? Perimeter of semicircle is nothing but 36 centimeter, right? 36 centimeter. And what we want to find its diameter. So to find what we want to find? To find its diameter, d we want to find, right? How we are going to find? See, you have to keep only one thing, very very important thing. See, whenever, see, they ask you to find a circumference of circle or circumference of semicircle or perimeter of semicircle or perimeter of quadrant circle, they ask you to find means we are having a formula, we can easily find it, right? But while in the question itself, they are giving the value of, right, they are giving the value of perimeter of semicircle or perimeter of quadrant circle or circumference of circle or area of a circle, right, area of a circle, area of a ring, and whatever we are having, right, by using the formula, right, by using the formula we will find the value. That they are giving the value directly, they are giving the value directly, then we have to equate this value with the concerned formula. That is very very important, right? So while you are seeing this values in question itself, right, while we are seeing this value in question itself, just keep it in your mind, just keep it in your mind. This is very very important, not only for this concept alone. Wherever we are using the formulas, right, wherever we are using a formula for finding some values, right, for wherever we are using formulas to find the value of the formulas, right, if they are giving the value, then directly we want to equate with the formula, right? So now we want to equate the perimeter of semicircle formula with 36 centimeter, right? So what is the formula of a perimeter of a semicircle? What is the formula of it? Already you have thorough the formula. See, first you have to thorough the formula. This is very very important. If you are not at all thorough, means please thorough the formula, then you can do whatever, anything. We can simplify whatever they are asking, right? Perimeter of semicircle is equal to 36 centimeter. What is the formula of perimeter of semicircle? Pi r plus 2r. Pi r plus 2r is equal to 36 centimeter, right? 36 centimeter. So pi r plus 2r. So see that what is the common thing we are having? R is common, right? First in this term we are having r, here also we are having r. I am just taking commonly r outside, right? So I'm just taking commonly r outside because we don't know the value of r, but we know the value of pi and 2, right? So what is the remaining in the first term? Pi plus 2. Pi plus 2 is equal to 36. So r into, what is the value of pi? 22 by 7, right? So 22 by 7 plus 2 is equal to 36. Simplify. So fraction 2. So by doing the cross multiply, something, what is it? R into 1 into 22, 22 plus 7 2s are 14. Divide by 7 2s are, sorry, 7 into 1, 7, right, is equal to 36. So R is equal to 22 plus 14, 36. 36 divided by 7 equal to 36. 36 by 7 equal to 36. I am just taking this 36 by 7 to the RHS, right? So multiply will become divide, divide will become multiply. Numerator will goes to denominator, denominator will goes to numerator. So what is the remaining we are having? R. R is equal to 36 into 7 will goes to numerator and 36 will come to denominator. 36 cancel. So what is R? R is equal to 7 centimeter. What is R? Radius of the semicircular protector. But what they are asking, we want to find the diameter. We want to find the diameter. Therefore, D is equal to 2 times of R, right? So it is equal to 2 into 7 is equal to 14 centimeter. Therefore, diameter of a semicircular protector is equal to 14 centimeter, right? So number 3, a wire made of gold. A wire made of gold is looped in the form of a circular gear ring. A wire made of gold is looped in the form of a circular gear ring of radius 2.8 centimeter, right? Radius 2.8 centimeter. Full stop. It is rebent into a square form. It is rebent already. It's in the form of circular. Once again, what they are doing? They are rebenting into the square form. Determine the length of the side of the square. Determine the length of the side of the square. So while reading, what are things we are having? Only thing is nothing but given. What are things we are having? Only something but radius of a circular ring, right? Radius of a circular ring is something but 2.8 centimeter, right? 2.8 centimeter. That is the only thing we are having. But what they are saying, they have given one condition. And what we want to find first? What we want to find? To find the length of the side of a square. That is, we want to find side of a square, right? Side of a square. This question, we are having a condition, right? What is the condition? See that the circular ring has been rebent into the square form. So the perimeter of a circle is equal to perimeter of a square, right? Perimeter of, see, I am having a circular ring. If I am having a circular ring, so I am just rebunting into the form of square. Rebunting into the form of square, right? Rebunting into the form of square. Then the perimeter of circle is equal to perimeter of a square. If we know the value of perimeter of a circle, then we can equate the value with the perimeter of a square formula. Then from the perimeter of a square, what is the formula of perimeter of a square? 4a. From the perimeter of a square, we can find the value of a by equating the value of circumference of a circle with the perimeter of a square. Then we'll get the value of a. That is, a is nothing but side of a square, right? So first we want to find the circumference of the circle. For finding a circumference of a circle, right, what is the formula? 2 pi r. So what we are needed? R is needed. We are having r, right? Radius is we are having. So with the help of radius, right, with the help of given radius, I am going to find the perimeter of a circle. After finding the perimeter of a circle, I am just going to equate the value, perimeter of a circle value with the perimeter of a square formula, right? Because both are equal. That is the condition, right? Because the circular ring has been rebent into the square form. Understood? So first what we want to find? We want to find the circumference of the circle. And one more thing, whenever we are having a decimal value, please convert in terms of fraction, right? It will be very easy to simplify, right? So 2.8 is nothing but how we can write 28 divided by 10, right? 2.8, how many decimal parts are there? Decimal digits are there? Only one. So divide this will by 10, 28 by 10, right? Then it will be very easy to simplify, that's why, right? Whenever we are having, see, once again we are dividing by 10, we'll get the 2.8, right? If it is not at all possible to simplify, once again we are dividing by 10, it will become 2.8, right? So whenever we are having, not only for this sum alone, whenever we are having a decimal value, please try to convert in terms of fraction. It will be very easy to simplify, right? Okay, substitute the values. 2 into, what is the value of pi? 22 by 7 or 3.14. But see that 22 by 7 only we are going to use, because maximum the radius or diameters, okay, maximum the radius or diameter will be always in terms of 7 multiples. 28 is nothing but 7 multiples. The second sum also, it's a 7 multiples, right? And the first sum also 7 multiples. So maximum it will be it will becomes based on that, what is it, 7 multiples, right? So you can go for the value pi is equal to 22 by 7. Suppose the radius or diameter is not the 7 multiples, then better you can go for a substitute the value of pi is nothing but 3.14. Better you can go for 3.14 as a pi value, right? Understood? So when we want to use 22 by 7 and when we want to use 3.14, understood? So be clear. And sometimes they will give you have to use pi is equal to 3.14. Likewise they will give in the question. That means we have to use pi is equal to 3.14 alone. Suppose they will give you use pi is equal to 22 by 7 means we have to use 22 by 7 alone, right? So they didn't give anything means then we are seeing the radius. If the radius are 7 multiples, then we are going to substitute 22 by 7. If the radius is not a 7 multiples, then we are going to substitute 3.14, right? Pi value is something but 3.14, right? Here substitute. So pi is equal to 22 by 7 into, what is the value of radius? 28 by 10. 2.8 I have converted in terms of fraction. It is nothing but 28 divided by 10, right? 28 divided by 10. Simplify 1 times 4 times, right? Now what are the remaining in the numerator and denominator? So denominator we can simplify 2 multiples, but don't simplify. You can keep as it is, because if in the denominator we are having 10 means, then after multiplying the numerator we can easily put the decimal point, right? Otherwise we want to divide once again, right? So multiply 2 into 22 into 4 divided by 10, right? 2 into 22. So what is it? 22 into 4, 88. 88 into 2, 88 into 2. 8 2s are 16, 6 1 balance, 16 7. So 176. 176 divided by 10, that is 17.6 centimeter, right? 17.6 centimeter divided by 10 means one digit after, one digit before we want to put a point, that is 17.6 centimeter. Now we are having, what is that? This is the image circumference of the circle, that is ring. Now I'm going to equate with the perimeter of a square, because we are having condition, right? So the circular ring has been rebuilt into a square form. So it is nothing but by the question, right? By the question, perimeter of a square is equal to circumference of the circle, right? Circumference of circle has been rebuilt into the perimeter of a square, right? So both perimeters are equal, that's why I'm just equating. Now we know the value of circumference of the circle. What is that? 17.6 is equal to, what is the perimeter of a square formula? 4 into a, 4a, right? Taking 4 to the RHS, then a is equal to 17.6 divided by 4. 17.6 divided by 4. Using long division method, divide 17.6 divided by 4. How many times are possible? 4 times. 4 4s are 16, right? So 1 balance, taking 6 to the denominator. 6 is down. 6 is nothing but decimal value, putting point. 4 times 16, so 0. So a is equal to 4.4 centimeter. Therefore, the side of a square, right? The side of a square is equal to the length of the side of a square is equal to 4.4 centimeter. That's all. Homework sums. Sum number 4. If the diameter of a semicircular plot is 21 meter, diameter 21 meter, then find its perimeter. That means they are talking about semicircular plot. So perimeter of a semicircle. What is the formula of perimeter of semicircle? Pi r plus 2r, right? So from we are having diameter, from that we can find the radius, and we can substitute and simplify, we'll get the value. Pi r plus 2r, right? Next, sum number 5. Find the radius of a circle. Find the radius. See, always they will give you the value of radius and diameter in the question, but they ask you to find the radius. That means we are going to equate with the formula, right? So they are going to give the value of the some formulas, right? So it's nothing but find the radius of the circle whose circumference is equal to the sum of the circumference of two circles of radii 15 cm and 18 cm. See what they are saying, we want to find the radius of a circle, and the radius of circle is something but they are giving the condition that radius of a circle is something but we want to find. So they are giving the condition that is something but circumference of the circle, right? Circumference of the circle is equal to the sum of the circumference of the other two circles. That means suppose I am taking this capital R, right? Radius of the circle is something but capital R, and this is nothing but R1 and R2, right? R1 and R2, they have given radius 1 and radius 2. What they are saying, they ask you, they have given the condition. That is something but circumference of the circle, that is 2 pi capital R, right? 2 pi capital R is equal to the sum of the circumferences of the two circles of radii, that is 2 pi small r1, right, plus 2 pi small r2. Circumference of the circle is equal to sum of the circumferences of the two circles, right? Now we know the value of r1, r2, right? R1 is something about 15 cm, r2 is something about 18 cm. Substitute and take the common term and simplify, we'll get the value of r. What we want to find? We want to find the capital R. Easily you can find. Sum number 6. The circumference of the circle exceeds its diameter by 45 cm. Find the circumference of the circle. So how we want to find? Here also they have given the condition. What is that? The circumference of the circle, that is nothing but 2 pi r is equal to exceeds. It is increasing with diameter, right? So diameter is nothing but what is that? 2r. How much is increasing? By 45 cm. 2r plus 45. So this is the equation. 2 pi r is equal to 2r plus 45. Taking 2r to the LHS, 2 pi r minus 2r, right? Then taking the common term, r alone common, just take commonly outside. 2r is common, just take commonly outside. And we know the value of pi, substitute and simplify, we'll get the value of r. But what they are asking, what we want to find? We want to find the circumference of the circle. If you know the value of radius, then 2 pi r, that is circumference of circle. Substitute and simplify, we'll get the answer. Right? Understood? Thank you.